Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best ballpoint pens available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Zebra Ballpoint Pen. The Z-Grip Ballpoint Retractable Pen delivers on all fronts: value, performance, comfort and style. It features easy glide ink, a comfort-ridged grip and a metal clip for durability. The silky smooth low viscosity ink provides quicker writing speeds and a smooth skipless writing experience. That's making the Z-Grip Retractable Ballpoint Pen ideal to use for note-taking, journaling and long meetings. It has a soft latex-free rubberized grip provides increased comfort while the plastic barrel allows for ink supply visibility. The convenient metal pocket clip allows quick access and ensures you will never lose your favorite pen again. Now you can get the job done right every time with a reliable smooth-flowing pen. At number 6 we have Paper Ballpoint Pen. You can make your writing stand out with paper-made profile ballpoint pens. It featuring bold 1.4mm tips and bright dependable ink for easy-to-read lines. This profile ballpoint pens offer the performance and reliability you demand for both personal and professional writing tasks. It has a contoured rubber grip, keeps your hand comfortable while you write, while a variety of bright ink colors let you pick the hue that matches your style or mood. It is designed with soft cushion grips. Paper-made profile ballpoint pens fit comfortably and securely in the hand for long periods of stress-free writing. It has a plastic clip lets you effortlessly fasten the pen to a notebook binder or pocket, while the translucent barrel lets you see how much ink is inside the pen. At number 5 we have BIC Ballpoint Pen. The BIC Round Stick Extra Life Ball Pen comes with a versatile 1.0mm medium point that creates vivid lines. That's making it suitable for a wide variety of writing activities. This pen writes 90% longer on average than paper-made InkJoy 100 Ball Stick Pen. The Stic pen comes with a reliable tungsten carbide ballpoint that spreads the ink smoothly and evenly. These reliable pens feature a durable tungsten carbide ballpoint that releases ink consistently and evenly. The translucent barrel lets you see the remaining ink supply, while the flexible round barrel design keeps you comfortable during extended writing sessions. At number 4 we have Paper Ballpoint Pen. It comes with their soft rubberized grips. 300RT retractable ballpoint pens are designed for comfortable and stress-free writing. When you're ready to write, these retractable pens open with a satisfying click. Each pen has a durable shiny metal clip that lets you easily fasten it to a notebook binder or pocket. It is equipped with the revolutionary InkJoy writing system. Each 300RT retractable ballpoint pen combines ultra-smooth ink with a writing-optimized ballpoint tip that spreads the ink evenly and reliably. The tip is designed to release ink upon contact with paper, reducing drag. At number 3 we have Amazon Ballpoint Pen. This retractable ballpoint pens deliver an effortless writing experience that never drags. Each retractable pen features a medium 1.0mm tip that's ideal for situations where bold, precise lines are a must. And with ultra-smooth ink, pens provide a steady and dependable flow that keeps up with your ideas. At number 2 we have Cross Ballpoint Pen. The ballpoint is the most popular tip technology and in many ways the simplest. A ballpoint pen uses a small rotating ball made of carbide to disperse ink as you write. This ball acts as a buffer between the material you're writing on and the ink inside the pen. The ball rotates freely and rolls out the ink as it is continuously fed from the ink reservoir. This ballpoint pens are not capped but instead retract and store via a rotating mechanism in the barrel. The ballpoint pen is the option for the everyday pen user. At number 1 we have Zebra Ballpoint Pen. Zebra's steel line offers a collection of remarkable writing instruments that are a significant upgrade from everyday plastic pens. The F301 retractable ballpoint pen is a perfectly portable steel pen with a secure metal clip which guarantees your pen will be there when you need it. It's combining style, strength and value. This is America's #1 steel ballpoint pen for a reason. The lightweight yet durable stainless steel barrel provides a modern and attractive appearance. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best ballpoint pens for your need.